Wake up India to intelligent finance today. It's Independence Week here at MyMiniKarma, where we explore how intelligent finance can be focused on one subject, financial independence. Today we look at the surprisingly simple math behind financial independence. How many variables do you think this equation has? The answer? Just one. Your savings rate as a percentage of your income. At one extreme, if you save 100%, you can retire right now. At the other end, if you save 0%, you can never retire. The key to retiring early is to increase your savings rate. Your savings will generate a certain amount of income from bank interests, FDs, stocks, etc. As soon as this income is enough to pay for your living expenses, you're ready to retire. The latest global savings data is now in, and it shows how Indian savings has been on a consistent decline, now down to almost 30%. At this rate, retirement can take more than 28 years. Your action? Identify expenditure decreases. A drop in spending has two big effects. It increases the amount you can invest to increase income, and it permanently decreases the amount you have to save up over your lifetime. This is the underrated aspect of financial independence. If you live on 35% of your take-home pay right now, you can retire in 10 years guaranteed. The single biggest way to do this today is to reduce your EMI payments. Click the link below to find out how. Don't just consume news, act on it. Subscribe to MyMiniKarma Intelligent Finance today. Over and out.